everyone. So since everyone is home right now and people are looking for things to do, and I think that sketchbooks are a great way to spend your time, and I've been wanting to use mine more lately, I wanted to start sort of a series, and this will be the first episode of activities for your sketchbook, or whatever I'll be calling this. The first one today is going to be the shape challenge, which I think is actually really fun to do and can unlock some creativity. In these videos, you can grab your sketchbook and draw along with me and do the challenge as well, or draw whatever you want. You don't have to do this, but this is what I'm going to be doing today. And basically the shape challenge is when you draw a bunch of random shapes in your sketchbook and you try to make little mini illustrations out of them. So I'm going to do that. So let's start by drawing some random shapes with some, I like to use light markers, water-based ones, because alcohol-based markers will bleed through to the other side. I actually find making random shapes a little bit difficult because are they ever really random? Like, not really, and I tend to make them, a lot of them, really similar. Maybe if I just don't look. I also want to get suggestions from you for what other challenges could be. So if you can think of anything that's a good exercise in your sketchbook, or like a certain subject to draw or something, I'm gonna put them all in a jar, and every time I make a new episode of this sort of series, I will pull out of the jar before I start. There's another challenge like this, that's the scribble challenge, but that's when you just do a random line instead of a shape like this, so I think that one could be cool to add to the jar. So if you think of anything for the jar, let me know and I will put it. See, it kind of feels like I'm just like making the same shapes over and over, but maybe this will help me get better at that. These are from Miniso. I like them so much. I'm trying to embrace the like scratchy texture of marker. Maybe we do a more inorganic shape here. I also made one of those whipped coffee things, so I have that to sip while I do this. Oh yeah, I have this pen that's really cool. It's like a dot. These are more of scribble shapes, I guess. Sometimes those can be interesting too. Like a scribble, but you fill it in. And then I'm gonna try my best to actually make these into like appealing drawings. Little appealing doodles. I'll probably use black so it's cohesive. Or maybe I'll use a different color for each one. So for the blue, I'm gonna use red. Oh, I kind of have an idea. Okay. I'm seeing sort of a shape here with the texture for like an eye. I should probably sketch them first. I think that would be better. I don't really know what this is. I don't really know what's happening. It's like a volcano. It reminds me of those Pokemon. Maybe this could be his tail. I don't know what's happening with this one. Maybe we just move on. And you can deviate from the shape if you want. Like, it's not, there's no hard rules. You can make the most of it. Like, if it inspires a certain drawing but it needs an addition to it, I don't see why you can't add on. I think this is just gonna be a bird. I really have no idea what that was. The first few probably won't really turn out that good. I tend to see birds in a lot of things, and like dogs and stuff. So, like, I feel like my goal is to have these not look like they were shape challenges and to just look like regular illustrations. There might be a better name for this type of exercise. I don't really know. I just call it the shape challenge. Or the shape exercise. I'm gonna add a line to it so that it's a little more interesting. Like maybe just like that. Like a stick, maybe? Yeah, that could be cool. I think I like using the pencil crayon to add detail a lot more than the ink pens. Yeah, the pencil crayon is more fun than the liner. Okay, what should I do next? I'm thinking this one. It looks like Sonic to me. I don't know exactly. Like, it looks like something with ears. Oh, maybe this could be the nose? Like a animal running? Sort of? The little paws. I've never actually put like this much work into a shape challenge thing, so I think this will be kind of rewarding to have them all done at the end. I wonder if I can erase this ink. Just ripping up the paper. But it's fine because I'm not. Oh wow, I really ripped up the paper. But I basically got it off. Make one of the arms come forward. I kind of like how it looks like there's like reflected blue light. That's kind of an interesting one. I like the way that turned out. It'd be funny to see like how you would interpret these, because you might see me draw something completely different than what you would have done. And yours might have been like a way better choice, like this one. This can also kind of push you to draw things that you wouldn't normally draw. And they might look a little wonky, but it might give you a starting point for something that you might want to do. Let's give him whiskers. So like I said, if you have any other ideas for exercises, sketchbook exercises, let me know. Or like things to just draw, like a character design or something, let me know in the comments. That's okay. Alright, let's do another one. This one's interesting. I see another fish. But it could also be a person holding a sword. I like that one. It's getting easier as I go on because I'm getting more and more warmed up to this. I kind of like the way this one is like all angular. That one's kind of interesting. I like that one. I like the way it looks. Okay, now onto this. I see... I don't know what I see. It's always like a fish, a bird, or a dog, or a human. Like, it's never anything else. Kind of like spines and fins and stuff coming off. This is actually like so much more fun than I thought it was gonna be, because I'm actually like putting more work into the little doodles and it's fun. I'm debating whether or not to do mermaid because I was doing April colors, but I kind of gave up on it because I was starting to like force myself to do it and I didn't want to get burnt out because I was finishing up school and all that stuff, so kind of gave up on April colors. But mermaid, I don't know. I don't know if I want to do mermaid. This is kind of like, it looks like it has a foot. I think it's a one-footed with a dog head. I don't know what that means, but that's what it looks like to me. I kind of have an idea. Yeah. Okay, this could work. Another bird. Surprise, surprise. I think I like working with the green colors the best. I don't know why. He's got such a tiny body. I want to draw a wing here so bad, but his wing is up, so that's not how that works. And it's also backwards, sort of. I can't even really tell what's happening with that. But it's the way the shape was forming. I had to do it. Just had to. Holding like a big basket. Wait, let me retry that. Okay, that kind of works. It's like laundry and stuff inside. This is a cool purple against the orange, because I see this more as a brown color, but when you put it on the orange, it just looks really purple and cool. The proportions are a bit wonky, but that's okay, because it followed the shape. It's kind of interesting. Okay, that one's done. Now on to this one. This one, I don't... Oh wait, I just got an idea. It's a bunny! A little bunny. I think that's kind of cute. I might want to use this marker. It's a cute bunny. I like that one. I think this one needs an outline too, because it's just looking like it's fading a little bit. Outline. Okay, last one. What should it be? Wait, I just saw something in it. Another bird, but it's okay. Because he's got a hat on. That's cute. This challenge was so much fun. I really hope you also, if you did it, that you enjoyed it as well. I've never put this much work into little doodles, and it makes me want to do a couple more pages of these. I mean, I've never put this much work into shape challenges. So let me know what other sketchbook exercises I should do in future episodes of this. Also, check out my Patreon. I post sketches and behind the scenes stuff, as well as sending out monthly packages like prints and stickers, and a collectible field journal page that I make about a random thing every month. So check out my Patreon if you want to see that, and make sure you like this video and subscribe so you will see future uploads from me and you don't miss anything. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.